about the homework. The student activities in my school very active, and that can include my school is different.
It sounds good. It sounds great. I really like that. Okay, thank you. Email, right?
Yeah.
Email.
I like many teachers in high school. The first, I like Mr. Ismawanto. Sorry, do you know Mr. Ismawanto? Okay, I like him because he is the discipline teacher. She is a good teacher and she makes the student have a good imagination. Second, I like Mrs. Desi. Do you know Mrs. Desi? I think I know. You know. Okay. I like Mrs. Desi because she is fun. She is a good teacher too, and she always.
Yang terhormat Dewan Juri, yang terhormat panitia dalam acara ini, dan teman-teman sekalian yang saya banggakan. Baiklah, perkenalkan, nama saya Imelda Trisna Rahayu, saya kelas 9 dari SMP Negeri 1 Cibeber. Sekarang, saya akan membawakan sebuah cerita dengan judul Legenda Gunung Hanjawan. Saya memilih cerita ini karena cerita ini adalah cerita yang menarik dan memiliki nilai moral yang sangat baik untuk kita semua. Hadirin sekalian, pada suatu hari, ada seorang perempuan tinggal di hutan belantara. Dia bernama Nyai Priambang. Dia memiliki wajah yang cantik. Sayangnya, dia sangat malas. Dia tidak mau membantu orang tuanya, sehingga keluarganya jengah dan mengusir dia Di samping itu, tempat di mana wangi dimandikan bernama Cipanas. Dan sekarang, tempat itu sedang dikembangkan menjadi lokasi wisata air panas di wilayah Ciparai, Desa Sukamulya, Kecamatan Cibeber, Kabupaten Lebak, Provinsi Banten. Baiklah, saya pikir cukup. Terima kasih atas waktunya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Fruit planted with her mother. When her mother worked night and day, she always spent all her time playing with her brain. She really liked music, and when she played music, she always spent all her time playing gamelan. Usually, she always played its song. After a few days, a strange food with 1,000 little. One day, Pina's mother fell ill, so she not strong anymore for working. She always submitted her job to Pina, but Pina always refused it. Although she obeyed a rules from her mother, she did it with leisure. She did it with leisure. Look at Pina's behavior. Pina's mother cursed, "May you grow with 1,000 eyes!" And Pina's mother begged to sleep. When she woke up, she couldn't find her daughter. She searched by cry. After a few days, a strange food with 1,000 little dots seen on the plantation. When Pina's mother looked at the strange fruit, she remembered immediately if Pina had a beautiful brown eyes, and Pina's mother laughed of cry. The strange fruit with 1,000 little dots has named pineapple. Pina become a pineapple. Para hadirin, dari kisah ini kita dapat menarik pesan moral bahwa kita harus selalu merawat ibu kita, jangan pernah malas, dan satu lagi yang terpenting, saling tolong menolong. Saya rasa cukup. Terima kasih banyak. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jenjang SMP Putri, juara ketiga dengan jumlah nilai 75,60 diraih oleh Lutfi Dewi Hendriana dari SMP Negeri 2 Rangkas Bitung. Juara kedua dengan jumlah nilai 77,10 diraih oleh Silva Salsadila dari SMP 1 Cibeber. Juara pertama dengan jumlah nilai 81,80 diraih oleh Imelda Trisna Rahayu dari
Hattrick.
Cibeber juga.
Hattrick,
Tidak sia-sia Pak, jauh-jauh dari Cibeber dua-duanya dapat gelar. Dipersilakan putra-putrinya ya.
Hattrick.
Faisal, Kevin,
Hattrick.